No doubt it is known as Little India. Lunch today. Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my channel, Drive and Travel to Explore. Staying in West Gray Street gives you the best of Houston and access to the city's vibrant heart. Today I am setting out on a walk through River Oaks and beyond, exploring the neighborhood, local gems and must-see places. River Oaks is one of the Houston's most iconic neighborhoods, known for its historic mansion, luxury bungalows, modern estates and tree-lined boulevards. It's a perfect place to start a day with a peaceful walk. Come on, let us start. While walking through the River Oak Street, I will be covering today in my video so that it will be informative for those who would love to live in Houston. So, this video will bring you the details about the grocery shops in and around, and also I would be showing you the places of interest like Harmaan Park, where you have time to spend, and the zoo, which is good for person from kids to the senior citizen, and also the water wall, the NASA Bayou Park. We'll also visit few Hindu temple where we can go around to see in different places. Also, I'll showcase the tornado hit which hit us on 16th of May 2024 while I was in Houston. It was my first lifetime experience of facing the tornado. It was really frightening to hear the noise of the wind. I have also captured that. I have also brought in this video most of the Asian restaurants, as many of them love having curries. So I brought some good veg and non-veg restaurants in and around Houston, which I'll be showcasing in this video. So I would also showcase how useful it has been to stay in the West Gray Street, as going through the neighborhoods where so many facilities and also school close by. So you have everything in here in West Gray Street. And now let us go and explore every facilities. So we will step into Kroger, which is right in the River Oaks. It's a neighborhood staple. It's where the locals stock up on everything from fresh vegetable to gourmet treats. So now we are driving to Indian grocery shop, which is known as Little India, and it is near Gulftown in Houston. So you get everything from Indian ingredients. Mainly the Asians would love to go there to fill up their stockpile up for their weekly cooking. Sri Balaji Bhavan vegetarian Udupi food. See what all you have. You have Sari Sapne, Sri Balaji Bhavan, Halal Meat, Raja Sweets, Aisha Saluna and Spa. No doubt it is known as Little India. Persian grills that side. Aisha. Sri Sanskar Bridal. Shamanur Internet Chowpatty. Silk India Boutique, Rani Boutique, Rekha. So whatever you want, you get all. And also you have a Nepali food, Kathmandu curry and bar, and you have a biryani factory, and Beauty and Beast, Justin Jeans. So River Oak Shopping Center has many things around the place, so which you would have seen, where we could see that a lot of shops which I have shown here. And also it's good for people to visit the stores like Target, and then IKEA, which is also close by in and around this area. Harmaan Park is again one of the huge park with plenty of water bodies and nice fountains, and you also find a lot of lush green area for family to enjoy a picnic, bring their own. Even the Houston Zoo is housed in the Harmaan Park. It's a great place for everyone to visit and have a serene evening spent there along with your family.
Touch.
It is also a quite interesting place to go and visit water wall fountain, which is really good. You can see the sun. The park consists a wall, huge wall, and and you could see gallons of water flowing like a fountain, which is again a must-watch place. So USA is full of NASA space centers. This is one in Houston. So it's been a lot across the USA, like in Washington and then in Virginia. So this again has been a good one, which a must-visit place for every one of you. And then the Bayou Park, which is again a huge park for cyclists who could really go out on a ride by the water trail, and then for the joggers and for family to have a nice evening picnic. If you want to see more about our Bayou Park, please visit my previous video which I have posted. Rich people living. This is the BAPS Swaminarayan BAPS temple. Houston. Really nice. Nothing visible. The buildings are not visible at all. Tornado is going to be severe in another 10 minutes. So we are all So the tornado has stopped now. Today is 17. So we are just post tornado. We have just come to review the situation. You could see we saw a few trees fallen, and luckily while coming in the morning there was no signals. So now few signals are working. That fallen trees, you could see all the fallen trees, many fallen trees. See all the trees. Let us now just review each and every restaurant. The restaurant one is the Kumar's restaurant. Is absolutely lovely. You get a nice thali, non-veg thali. The people who are foodies, they would really love non-veg curries, and it's really and then Saravana Bhavan is a South Indian restaurant, which again they provide a very good crispy dosas, and you can enjoy idlis. Apart from that, Maharaja Bhog, it provides us a luxury thali. We need to have an appetite, we need to have a good space in our stomach to fill those items they provide to us. So be prepared if you want to visit Maharaja Bhog, and get prepared to go and enjoy this luxurious thali. So then, the best one is the Aga's huge restaurant, India Pakistani restaurant. It provides a beautiful, tasty and spicy biryanis, kebabs, and there is something or the other for everybody's in the palate. So it's a nice place for you all to enjoy there. And having said, in the Houston, you can also enjoy the Chinese stuff, and also Traveler's Table will also provide you to your taste. So walking through the neighborhood, I really enjoyed each and every shop. It's also close to the street. You have two schools. So just to sum up, for those considering making Houston their home, this city offers everything. Whether you have here to explore or to stay, Houston is ready to welcome you. Dear viewers, those living in Houston, could you also share pros and cons, those who have been living for long in Houston? I am ending my vlog with this. See you in my next vlog. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.